Welcome to NESCO, a multi-divisional and multi-location conglomerate established in 1939. Indabrator, a capital goods division, a leader in its field of surface preparation machinery, was established by Shri Jethabhai Patel in the year 1939. Collaborating with a US-based group, Indabrator was the first company to bring to India the world-class surface preparation technology, that is, a shot blasting and shot peening technology. Indabrator is an ideal service provider, a pioneer in the surface preparation technology, offering a single window solution to various industries in the private and public sector. Indabrator, located in Anand, Gujarat, is spread over a sprawling 75,000 square meters, which houses its state-of-the-art manufacturing center, captive foundry and abrasive plant. This facility is the largest setup in India for the manufacturing of surface preparation equipment. Indabrator boasts of cutting-edge technology CNC shop floor, which includes a plethora of precision machinery and latest welding facilities. The company is also capable of complete in-house designing and manufacturing of customized power and control panels, while adhering to industry compliance norms. Our advanced, robust and vital painting systems enable us to blast clean, primer and paint all the fabricated parts before they are assembled and tested. The inherent strength of the company lies in its qualified, skillful and competent team of engineers who spearhead the design and production aspects as well as look into quality assurance. Experts in the departments of application support and service ensure smooth execution and delivery of projects and machines. To ensure and keep the promise of quality, sturdy design, performance and durability, Indabrator has a strict policy of maintaining quality control by regular inspection at various checkpoints in the manufacturing process. All of this is possible as each and every machine is assembled in our own premises. All machines are tested in both no-load and load conditions to ensure impeccable and flawless performance at our customer sites. Machines like table type, spinner hanger, thumb blast, roller conveyor, car table, multi-table, peening systems for leaf springs, coil springs, gear tooth, clutch plates and others are manufactured here, both in standard as well as customized machines to suit the requirements of the end user. Indabrator facilities. Its production system and the manufacturing process are in strict compliance with the latest standards set by ISO and OHSAS. An integrated approach of lean manufacturing and continuous improvement has enabled it to deliver quality products on time, every time. Here at Indabrator, we rigorously follow and adhere to good manufacturing practices and quality tools like advanced product quality process, root cause analysis, coupled with stringent in-process and final inspection. Indabrator, a pioneer in technology and market leader in the industry, has over the years garnered faith and confidence of his customers, both nationally and globally. We are trusted as one of the most reliable establishments in the country. Our endeavor is to continuously work towards providing a one-stop solution for surface treatment equipments and painting systems. As we said in the beginning, welcome, stay, and continue as our partner in the journey of innovation, technology, and growth.